carried away, so I carried 2 guns. Clap him, man.
Drop.
Grab him, grab him, grab him, grab him.
Stretch me. Him. What him? Roaster still a go and cook. Can you hear me about playing? Right now I'm back, the whole of my body playing. The whole of my playing.
Yes, my people, welcome back to the channel once more. And I don't know anything set up. Yes guys, this morning is all about a little hiking adventure. Yeah man, it's about a week. We're up on a little ends for you understand. Yeah, we just there go and enjoy ourselves with the foreigners, as well as just, you know, basically just show them around the place. And you know, today is a cookout we are going to do with them. It's a hike and cookout. It kind of different from the little hunting and adventure videos them guys what we normally do. But you know, don't know, we just are bringing it along with we see a little different stuff. You understand? So, you know, stay tuned guys, like up the video from now. Yeah man, we are going to do a hiking a little bit. Or stay free, clap 1 and 2 bird too along the way. You can see I go. Yeah, because from Hurricane Beryl forward guys, me I tell you, why the bird them not so plentiful again. I don't tell no lie. I don't know what go on or we just not find the right spot where them there or what. But I don't know where go. So like, comment, share, subscribe as I said before. Make it there in this square with them right now guys. You see it, so I want to kind of take a little stroll by myself. I'm decide to go do the intro, so I'm gonna stay tuned until we start the hike. See?
I have one Pepsi in your plate.
One Pepsi? Yeah. Pepsi make you sexy guys. Yeah.
Joel number here.
The charge of it.
I call Joel, but I'm not get him. His phone isn't working.
Me not look ready.
I have 2 packs of full on pack loot. Yeah, I did. I got a bit carried away, so I carried 2 guns.
The hiking park.
Red. Yeah, got the best given us family.
I'm tired already.
You tired already? Cha cha. Alright, me I say, like she ready for go chop bush.
Mr. Bush.
Mr. Bush. Me say, but how him a go chop bush? The poor man must say, I wonder where him a get locked up for now, you know.
Walk, we say we are walk. Straight through the hills and valleys.
Yeah man.
I remember 2 houses.
This one wasn't here.
Who lived there, sir?
I remember 2 houses.
Okay, okay.
We come back in next one, come kill it. You friend of Manka?
Yeah.
Oh, he's got it there. He's got it covered.
How you playing that? Whatever. It pick out on the other side.
Go down, go down.
Where you going?
Alvin Ring?
See on this, on the cotton tree. Cotton tree left on, yeah, on the cotton tree. Come on. Oh, yes. Let me not smoke food. Come here. Bad. Come like that. Yeah.
You drop.
Tell you what you're going to see and get slapped.
You drop.
What listen, bro? I'm tell you what you say, going to see and get slapped.
Oh, we can't get him. Yo, in the right, that's off. I head me and him for.
One back to put them in.
Eh?
You have a bag to put them in?
Yeah, we are going to string them.
String them up.
Huh?
String them up.
Yeah, no, me aim me like a gun. Yeah.
One down.
You don't find him? You don't find him? And we are walking if you don't get it good. Look good.
That drop the wine drop in can't move. Just go take him up.
You find him? Ah.
Just go take him up, man.
Rockstone I use now.
Marble.
Steel.
Steel.
Yeah. Now we check out the channel, man. That's how we do them enough time.
I know anytime I sing, get a good comfortable ear.
Yeah.
We bring salt and seasoning. Yeah, right.
We bring seasoning, man.
You bring seasoning? Well, if you lighter. You have lighter.
Smoke there. Like,
I may say smokers must there.
My.
Wally.
Watch out, boy, catch mango. Watch out, boy, catch mango.
Watch out, that's what I'm going to
Who beg now get? I won't beg no what none.
Yeah, man. Yup, there no guys in a mango tree.
I can't see them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, foreigner up in a tree top, you know, guys. You don't know where you go.
Trashy.
Yeah.
almost 30 years in a climb tree.
I say a long time. 43 me been now, so you know say a long time.
Yeah.
But once you know how, you can't stop. One mango we go up the fire, you know.
One mango.
One dege, one mango we go up the fire, we find. Blame for me and you this, you know.
What you mean?
But I feel too special now, no
What you
blame.
mean? A long time we don't do them things, you know. A long time.
Ja.
Adventure, man.
Yeah.
Sweet mango. See two of them. The funny.
Somebody else can have one. One next one, they're on this way, so you know.
Ah.
And then you want one?
Yeah.
Teacher Eder and I. Thank you. I say, I told me tired man.
Let's say next one, next one.
Nothing, eh? And two that up, that's what you know.
No, man.
No, two turn one up. Come here, sir.
Hey, let's hear a talk. You know good.
Full
of worm.
Between here, sir.
Then 2 years ago, they go full of worms.
Yeah, me, some of them know.
Come more.
Come on, that one there up here, sir. Come and show you.
Quite time ago. No, man,
No,
don't
go
go
here.
little more.
Look over there.
Nine middle.
You have to go over this side, you will see.
Give me
Go
one.
behind you.
You see the one up here, sir?
This?
Yeah.
No good.
Worm. They are worm, man.
Oh, that one is good.
Yeah, they are worm.
One next one the right round there, so I'm missing.
Okay. I say yeah, but good.
Yes, anyway, mango them miss can't spot them.
Oh, yeah, worm too, you know. Yeah, they are worm. They are worm, see man. And then two they have worm.
Mango! We say mango! Cheers! Cheers!
Yeah, man.
It drop. Me tell you to say go gully. Me tell you to say go gully.
It's me here, one woodpecker.
I almost fell down there.
All the men, most of the men who die.
That's it. Are we sure they're viable paths?
Oh, me see him, spot him, spot him. Another one, guys.
Come now.
So you put in this, see if we can take it.
So we're gonna have to starve.
Now starve today.
Okay. Are we halfway yet?
Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
Ready to make the turn?
I don't want to hear. All right,
Then go tell me around the corner. 5, 10, half an hour later, man, around the corner.
People, you see who's at the back?
Yes, Blaine is at the back.
The man at the back. You know,
Yeah.
something always happens to the man at the back, right?
Yeah, that's why we make sure me are there front.
Back thing now works.
Jaja. Yeah, man, want more bird, man. More bird and then we're good.
You two hold me out.
So that's why I'm ready for it.
Want some more bird, man.
Well, Lord, I enjoy feeling man.
Yeah, we'll go in front so we can shoot the bird them in front. Because when the bird them here, they hold up a crowd. Then they'll fly. Woodpecker, that's a woodpecker tough, man. Yeah, man, that's a woodpecker tough, man. Some people, they guess them they over on that side. But as you guys know, we are trying to see if we can get some birds. So, the nice and the bird thing don't work. You know? So we have to kind of branch off just a little bit. See if
Yeah.
we can get some. Wow, go on, man. You chip him, you know. You touch him, but you not touch him good. Chip him. Headshot me game, because I don't want him fly. Where you say Bali go? No! No! Yeah man, I try to touch him in the head, because boy, I don't want him move, you see it? Yeah man, so another one on the board guys, for this, for the foreigners, you know? Yeah man. You're watching stone, you know, because we will slide. Watch yourself, Mickey. Take your time. Yo! Yo! Pick him up. Pick him up. That's me spook him. Sharing. Spook him. Dead. Yo! See one there now, guys. Shut our next one right or so. Me hear you wing, you know. See one more here to me, Jenna. Alright. Yeah. Because say there's such a little bit of bird we did shoot, but I forgot to say we have some more on the street. Guys, the rain come down. Huh? Guys, the rain come down, you know. Or we get a couple, you know. Yeah man, but the rain come down for we guys. We are hide.
That me not have seed or another one.
Yeah man.
Guys, we come back from the adventure, you know. But guys,
Camera dead for we me people.
the whole thing is that rain started falling. Stretch forget to bring the other battery. As usual, Stretch always forget the other battery, guys. Guys, me name the shoot today because me name plan for do no shooting at all today, guys.
Because I am the king, guys.
Me already burn out from how long. We've been doing this for a couple days, guys.
That is showing us I'm strong.
So I'm really tired. I don't care where you want to say no, Stretch. You go on. Me I go come back strong, no worry yourself. Yes, guys. So we get couple birds well in a man. We soon show you them what go on. Stretch I go and clean them up and all one thing. Yeah, man. It was a great hike. It was really nice. May I'll get soursop, guys. Look at it. Nice soursop. Yes, man. Nice soursop, guys. Guys, everybody else know they're here yet, so show you what go on, yeah. And another thing, guys, we are going to cook up the birds and also the rooster. So stay tuned for that part. Guys, we are go down back. Figure roast the roast. What me I say roast? Yeah, we are go curry the rooster, guys. We are go back down there, we go fresh up and thing. And now Stretch see one ball plate up in the tree. And I'm going to try to get him. See if I can see him, guys. See him there?
Clap him, man.
Drop.
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 Yeah, man.
Drop.
Slap way.
You see that, Blaine?
What you mean?
Drop. One, me can't stretch. What you mean?
Yeah.
He drop somewhere around the side. Yeah.
You drop me as somewhere.
Me see when he drop, man. Me dey look for see him drop, you know.
You drop me as somewhere, man.
Over there, sir?
Yeah. You as somewhere in drop, man.
You sure now you drop in the tree them, yeah, sir?
No, man, you drop right here, man. Yes, come over here. You see around here, son. Oh, see me. Come on road.
Why?
Come on road, see me. He can't fly, man. Him done, man. Grab him.
Stretch me. Where you go? Watch your turn up. Guys, jeez, I mean, I want to mess up myself, you know. Oh gosh.
That slap way.
More bird added to the pot. Oh boy. Stretch lethal with the slingshot still, you know. When he miss with the rifle, you know, I miss with the slingshot, you know. One next one. No, I don't think so. Me know. Me rotted a couple of them. Yes, yes. No, but to me. I would pick out. No, Patricia. Search. The one I just said to is still, you know. But he not say good. Emma look back, we ain't go fly now.
Come on here, sir. Come back on here.
Yes. Drop. One, next one, next one, next one, next one.
Come here, sir. Come right here, sir.
Take time, take time, take time.
Come right here. Right here.
See, yeah, turn up. Ima move, Ima come. Stretch. He not get it good enough. Ima move. But me not even go up. How we reach up there? All right. Can't make him get away.
There was one above it.
A couple of them up there. Couple. Me count 5 of them.
Yeah, one was gone that way.
Go on.
You see?
When I reach up there.
Look out for the other one where the other one is shot. Come if you say get him. See me?
See him fly up. Stretch, hold this. See, Mac. I am this. I come down here, sir.
Yeah.
Stretch. Hold this. Me I give you a slingshot.
Don't worry about this one.
Jesus Christ.
Go for the other one, Stretch. Don't worry about this one.
In get it good.
Yeah, man. Me can't clap him from here, so too. Go for the other one. Yeah, man. Go for the straight. Don't worry about that one, man. Go shoot for the next one.
Try fling it. Try. You can fling it. Can me not have his strength.
Yeah, man. That's halfway, man.
Come. Fling it up there. Come, me hold this. Come.
A bad plate.
He ain't like him man, but he not get critical.
Yeah. It's so girl, if you're going to turn up out.
Fly, because you wing broke. You wing broke in there.
I want ball.
Oh, yeah.
I'm done.
He no done. Blaine, come. Come take him up, Blaine. Don't make him go away. Blaine, take him up, me down. Hold him.
go make them go wild again and then come out right on the doorway and then put them in our trouble, you know.
Eh?
Years nobody don't shoot them about there.
Eh. Two of them down, guys. Hold.
Yeah, man, I was like, when you come in, man, right over church. Oh. I was surprised to come here and
Guys.
see so much.
We got 2 barley, guys. Stretch up in the hill.
Let me see one.
Cause we see some ball plate, guys. And he gonna track him. Hold on.
Yeah.
Ah, 2 of them in kill?
Yeah.
2 of them.
Yo, stretch.
2 of them drop up there, guys.
He might climb up the tree. He might climb up the tree. See him drop there again.
So stretch it up there, so guys.
See me. Right.
If he not dead, oh, you go show him. Point him fly when you show him.
Yes, I don't know where going on, guys. 2 of them down. Yeah, man. We are going to cook them up, you know, my people. And we end up that way. See them on the way.
That kill.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's where you go, my people. Now stay tuned. Tell them me a shooter, you know, my people. And they not listen, you know. Blaine and Mickey not understand, say me are the teacher, you know. Yeah, man. You have to whip them up really nice and real easy, you know. Yeah, man. My peeps, you know, comment, shooter.
Barrett.
I mean. You guys, so you know, just stay tuned, no? Yeah, man.
The teacher is catching. But if it wasn't for me,
You know, hear
That
this
is true,
now.
guys, because
who tell him to go back for the slingshot?
Blaine
As
was
a
the
matter
one
of
that
fact-
was bringing
as
the
a matter of fact,
slingshot.
me when I walk with my slingshot.
And him say him
And him
make
take
Blaine.
Fala fashion and go back for film.
Eh,
That's all I have to say.
guys, you don't know I'm a teacher, so, me not even comment for that one day, you know. Me not know if to say, you know. Yeah, me people, but the real thing, if it wasn't for him for true, guys, I wouldn't get me slingy, you know. Yeah, man. I'll cook them up out of so, you know, my people, you know, don't know where you go. Yeah. Everyone want a taste of the bird, you know, so you don't know where you go. Yeah? Yeah, you know dead, that one you know dead. But we'll put him out of misery. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah? You don't know where you go. Yeah.
Actually, my day after them, I hunt. Me have video lady today. I'm alone at the shooting.
Yes, my people, so just put some CC jerk seasoning on, you know, guys, you know, don't know. At the road, yes.
That we say. That you say. That you say.
Ah, you man. Alright, my people, so when you're ready, you know, a straight pan the grill, you know. No, a straight fry, we are fry them, guys.
Fry,
My
yeah,
bad. A
fry.
straight fry, we are fry them.
No, man, I'm making one for Billa sauce, but we go see how that work out. You see
Yeah,
me?
yeah. Yes, yes, my people. So we are going to press. We are going to pressure the command for all them, you know, my people, because boy, the timing is against us, you know.
Man, look at I know, just
So
a little bit.
This is for yesterday, guys. Little oil are going up. Pot.
You must say me the seasoning with oil already, so you just need just a little, you know?
Yeah, right, that's it.
That ain't not much more than that.
Look at that, my people.
Let's see what you know, but
Yo, this well seasoned up, you know. That was sweet, like wow. Look at
you don't
that.
throw away the bag, you know, you rinse it.
Yeah.
You put you a little
Rinse
water.
out the bag, yeah, and put it in a pot back. I don't know where you go, my people. Yeah, man. Oil a get hot too. No, that's a good in Blaine. And we have some fried bami I go and deal with, you know, guys. Soak in a milk and everything there. Yeah. Yeah, Chef Blaine.
One seal the meat, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, make them know say me teach you how to do all them things, you know? Yeah, man, you have to remember to give the Danish props, you know what I mean? Yeah.
So it smells sweet.
Smells sweet, not too, mommy, it's sweet. Smell good, man.
You know what going on.
They make you know how chicken must season up and everything, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Ah, boy. I tell you, Jaja.
And pot nickel. Go need a bigger pot ready to put on the potato. No,
One pot there.
I'm ready to put the potato and the extra more carrot and them things. Ready to cook it down. Need a bigger pot.
This is bami,
Yeah.
Jamaica cassava.
See where we get it from, people.
Mother and son, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Sure. Yeah, man. She deal with the bami, guys. Blaine there deal with the curry chicken and curry bird. Mickey just join us because she intend to smell the pot and want to run in.
Yes.
But you know going to work. I make sure so she come out back. Yeah. Guys, I don't know where to go. Some more can go in there, not you? Holy pa meat, you know? Holy pa meat. Holy pa meat, bird and rooster. Bird and rooster mix up together. Fall off the bone we are talking about, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Let me see you have to shit here and turn it on again and put less water. As you boil over.
You know, hear that, guys? They don't know, say, mommy know her stuff, you know? Fight it, Blaine. Fight it. Fight it like you mean it.
Antonia, you going tomorrow, huh?
Jaja.
You wait for me.
Now put the water in it till
Come.
now put the water in it till the meat seal, you
Come
know?
down.
Yeah. So meat have to seal first, guys, and then you put the water in there, you know?
You can come down.
It's like when people say they might burn the curry, and then it's necessary after they burn the curry.
Yeah.
Because it's sealed, you know?
Alright. So now
Did
hear
you
that,
get
my
any
people?
blue jars?
No, we didn't get any blue jars. You have any blue jars, Lee?
Yes.
Okay.
I just want you to taste a little piece, yeah.
Yes, guys, because I don't really love bami, you know, but I'll
You
taste
love
it.
mine.
I'll taste it.
Special. Soak in a milk. Woo.
It's hot, you know?
I saw you go when you're greedy.
It's hot, man. Yes, I like it, mommy.
Me know you don't like it.
Only thing I want, when I put on it, I go salt.
Stretch if I never saw it.
I go salt. I'm good. It tastes like...
This good, man. Milky night. I can't taste it's a milky
We
night.
have a bigger pot, but that's how you go.
That's all.
That's so much.
Kubod. Kubod.
But the pot big, I will eat that, man. Guys, that's how you
Big
can
man, I have mommy still a peel you.
I the one boy.
That's why I get spoiled. Like him.
One boy.
You smell food and them a restrict you from coming around here. And the food smells so good, not true? Don't make you stop you from your food. Alright guys, so I might just go and simmer down and thing. So until when we're ready to, you know, take off the pot, guys, you know, we see what I go on again, you know. So the big man Blaine himself. Yeah. Whole heap of meat, Blaine. So what you doing now, Blaine?
Well, right now, this is a different KFC thing, you see me? What do you call it? A bird KFC?
Bird KFC, yeah. That sounds too bad.
Just season up the flour and then with it.
There's some CC jerk seasoning in there.
Somewhat.
Definitely.
You don't want to put too much because that has seasoning already.
Yeah. And you have some what, egg in this?
Yeah, like an egg wash.
Alright.
You know? Little dipping. Put a little few more pieces in there, of course. Egg wash. Run too fast.
Hey, say mommy hard time the pani mango. No, you stay too long with it. Sweet as well.
The one that you killed yesterday?
Guys, this is the bird. French fry bird.
I'll take this one, little piece of it. Bye. None of that.
You try, go on. Go, leave. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Guys. So this is what's left to fry, and some is over there in the pot. And the rooster going to cook same way. Yes, guys. Some more bird in the pot. Frying. Rooster still a going to cook. That is it. Listen, don't look over there. Don't look over there. So you say you have to try to control yourself. Just go so. Just go on this. Everyone gets bird.
Bird!
You taste already? Not yet.
Nice man. Yeah, me like Buddha, what are
Nice?
Real nice.
All right.
Real nice.
What you say?
It's a ball plate.
I'm glad everybody couldn't get a taste. Blaine. Guys, look there. Show them a plate. Show them a plate. It done. Done. Yes, guys. We're going back inside. Have some more in the pot, guys. Finish fry them up. Everybody is munching bird. What do you have to say about the bird? It's good. He eat bad.
Yeah, man, you better eat bad. When I mean bad, it's good, it's bad.
He good but he bad. This is what we Jamaicans say. When something tastes good, we say bad, you know?
Bad, you know?
He bad.
More pepper for me.
And me.
More pepper for me.
I guess you would love my cooking. But when me I cook for people, do I know? Me no do that. Blaine. Oh, him.
My son,
Love it pepper too.
pepper.
No pepper can stay inside.
They know that picture there, they say they are married.
Rooster up. It's a rooster thing.
Shellings are going on in my paper. No don't know I go. Shellings. Everybody a shell. Shellings. No, shellings.
Yeah, Blaine, tastes good.
Shellings.
Guys are the one CC Jerk Blend seasoning boss. Carl's Kitchen. I'm my chef and I tell you that rooster you bad.
Yeah man, no don't know it go guys. So they are go and shell it down and so till bag feed not true. Inna the goat pen, be a bag feed. Teeth out the goat them feed. So I don't know where going on my people.
They're fat.
You know, like, comment, share and subscribe right now, you know, guys. Yeah man, a shell down we are deal with. You don't know where you go. Yeah man, so until the next adventure, you know guys, we want to say peace out too, you know, we just want to see what I go on. Because right now me can't talk a video and a eat all of this right now, you know, guys. So you don't know where you go. Until the next adventure, my people. Peace out.